Okay. The word is cementum derived. Word is cementum derived attachment proteins generally accumulate. So in cementum lines and in the spaces among the in the cementum. So word is cementum derived attachment proteins. Word is cementum derived attachment proteins generally in cementum lines and in the spaces among the mineralized and in the spaces among mineralized collagen fibers and in the spaces among the mineralized collagen fibers. So where do the where do this cementum derived collagen fibers, right? Attachment proteins. So we do cementum derived attachment proteins in cementum lines and in the spaces among in so we do cementum derived attachment proteins accumulate. So in cementum lines and in the and in the spaces between mineralized collagen fibers. Okay, so what is so what is cementogenesis? Cementogenesis will be formation of cementum. What else? Cementogenesis is the formation of cementum and is a rhythmic. Cementogenesis is the formation of cementum and it is a rhythmic. Cementogenesis is the formation of cementum and it is a rhythmic process. Okay. What are the cells responsible for cementogenesis? Cementoblasts that are derived from dental follicle of the tooth. So cementoblasts which is derived from the dental follicle are responsible for cementogenesis. What is non-collagenous matrix role in mineralization? We have non-collagenous matrix is actually having bone, cyanoprotein, osteopondin. Okay, yeah. So now what is the role of this non-collagenous matrix in the non-collagenous matrix role in mineralization process? So the non-collagenous matrix has got significant role in the initiation and so the non-collagenous matrix has a significant role in initiation and regulation of non-collagenous matrix. So the non-collagenous matrix has a significant role in initiation and regulation. So non-collagenous matrix has got a significant role in initiation and regulation of mineralization. So non-collagenous matrix has got a significant role. Non-collagenous matrix has got significant role in initiation and regulation of non-collagenous matrix. So non-collagenous matrix has got significant role in initiation and regulation of mineralization process. Okay. So what are some non-collagenous proteins on cementum? So it is bone, cyanoprotein and osteopondin. So cementum derived. So we have cementum derived attachment proteins. Cementum derived attachment proteins osteocalcin, osteonectin. Cementum derived attachment proteins. We have osteocalcin, osteonectin, tenoskin, fibronectin, alkaline phosphatase, proteoglycans. Proteoglycans is chondroitin sulfate, heparin sulfate, hyaluronate, as well as several growth factors have been identified in cementum. So we have cementum derived attachment. So cementum derived uh, so we have cementum. So cementum attachment proteins like osteonectin, osteocalcin, tenoskin, okay, also osteonectin, osteocalcin, osteonectin, fibronectin, tenoskin. Then we have what? Alkaline phosphatase, and proteoglycans. So we have alkaline phosphatase, proteoglycan such as chondroitin sulfate, heparin sulfate. We have proteoglycan. Proteoglycan such as hyaluronate, chondroitin sulfate, heparin sulfate, as well as growth factors have been identified in, as well as growth factors, as well as growth factors have been identified, So what are the non-collagenous proteins found in cementum? So we have cementum derived attachment proteins such as osteonectin, osteocalcin, fibronectin, tenoskin, okay, proteoglycan, and proteoglycan. So proteoglycan is chondroitin sulfate. Chondroitin. So we have chondroitin sulfate, chondroitin sulfate, heparin sulfate, hyaluronate, as well as some growth factors have been identified. So we have osteocalcin, osteonectin, fibronectin, tenoskin, proteoglycans, and alkaline phosphatase. So fibronectin, osteonectin, osteocalcin, tenoskin, alkaline phosphatase, and proteoglycan. Like this, you have hyaluronate, chondroitin sulfate, heparin sulfate, as well as growth factors have been identified in cementum. That is known collagenous proteins found in cementum. Okay. So what is the difference between pre-functional and functional stages of? What is the difference between pre-functional and functional developmental stages of cementum formation? The pre-functional stage refers to formation of main cementum varieties. So pre-functional stage refers to formation of main cementum varieties that occur during root development. So pre-functional stage involves formation of main cementum varieties that occur during root development. So formation of main pre-development stage. The pre-development stage involves pre-development stage involve pre-development stage. We have the pre-development stage involved. Pre-development stage involved formation of main varieties of cementum that occur during root development. What is the origin of cementoblast? The origin of cementoblast is from what? Dental follicle, connecting is and tiny part of two germ. Cementoblasts are derived from what? Dental follicle of tooth germ. So what are the two stages involved in? So we have two stages are there. Matrix deposition. What are the two stages involved in cemental formation? What are the two stages involved in cemental formation? We have matrix deposition and mineralization are two stages involved in cementum formation. after deposition of after the deposition of radicular dentin what happens to Hedwig's epithelium? So after deposition of root dentin, what happens to Hedwig's epithelial root sheath? Position of radical dentin, the Hedwig's epithelial root sheath degenerates and loses continuity, exposing newly formed dentin. So after formation of after deposition of radicular dentin, the Hedwig's epithelial sheath degenerates and loses continuity, exposing the after position radicular dentin. Hers actually degenerates and loses its continuity and exposes the newly formed dentin. Okay, so what happens when the cells when the what happens from the what happens when the cells from the inner part of the dental follicle come in contact with the newly cells from the inner part. So what happens from the cells from the inner part of the dental follicle come in contact with the newly formed dentin? So these infiltrating dental follicle cells differentiate into, so when the inner part of the dental follicle come in contact with dentin, so these infiltrating dental follicle cells differentiate into cementoblast under the inductive influence of dentin or Hedwig's epithelial roots in Hedwig's epithelial roots. So what happens when the inner part of the dental follicle coming around the dentin? So these infiltrating dental follicle cells differentiate into cement under the inductive effect of dentin or Hedwig's epithelial root sheath. Okay, so what do cementum derived attachment proteins? So where do cementum derived attachment generally accumulate? Cementum derived attachment proteins accumulate where? Cementum derived attachment proteins generally accumulate in the cemental lines and spaces mineralized collagen fibers. So cementum derived attachment proteins generally accumulate in the cement lines and the spaces among mineralized collagen. So cementum. So what happens with cementum derived where do cementum derived attachment proteins accumulate? So cementum derived attachment proteins accumulate in the cement lines and in between and in the spaces among mineralized and in the spaces among mineralized and in the spaces among mineralized and in the spaces and in the spaces among in cementum lines, like in cement lines and in the spaces among mineralized collagen fibrils. Yeah. What is cementogenesis? The process of formation of cementum is actually called cementogenesis, and it is a rhythmic process. What do cementoblast deposit onto? What do cementoblast deposit onto? The blast dentin matrix. Collagen, which is the process of mineralization, permits intermingling of So your question is, why do cementoblast deposit onto the dentin? The question is, why do cementoblast why do cementoblast deposit onto dentin matrix? So collagen, which is the process of collagen? Which is the process of collagen? So collagen, which is in the process collagen which is in the process of mineralization. Collagen which is in the process of mineralization, permitting intermingling of fibers of these two tissues. Collagen which is in the process of mineralization, allowing intermingling of fibers of the two tissues. Why do cementoblasts deposit onto the dentin matrix? Because collagen which is in the process of mineralization, allow for intermingling of fibers of the two tissues. Okay, what are the cells responsible for cementogenesis? Cementoblasts. Cementoblast, which is the follicle of the tube, is actually responsible for cementogenesis. Okay. What is the non-collagenous matrix? What is the non-collagenous matrix's role in mineralization process? Non-collagenous matrix has got significant role in initiation and regulation. The non-collagenous matrix has a significant role. So the non-collagenous matrix has got significant role in the initiation and regulation. So non-collagenous matrix has got a non-collagenous matrix. Non-collagenous matrix has got a significant role in the initiation and regulation of mineralization. So non-collagenous matrix. Non-collagenous matrix has got a significant role in the initiation and the regulation of mineralization process. So, what is the composition of the cementum matrix? Cementum matrix has both the collagen fibers. So cementum matrix has both the cementum matrix has both the cementum and the ground substance. Yeah. What are some non-collagenous proteins found in the cement? Non-collagenous proteins are found in the cementum. So we have is found in the cementum. Actually, we have five osteonectin, osteocalcin, fibronectin. Okay, close. So we have osteonectin, osteocalcin, fibronectin, tenastin, alkaline phosphatase, proteoglycans such as chondroitin sulfate, heparin sulfate, hyaluronate, as well as growth factors. Several growth factors have been identified. In cement. So cementum derived. So what are some non-collagenous proteins on the cementum? So cement are found in non-collagenous proteins found in cementum. So we have collagen, cementum derived attachment proteins. So we have cementum. We have the cementum derived cementum derived, yeah, cementum. So we have cementum derived. Cementum derived attachment proteins. Cementum derived attachment proteins such as osteocalcin, osteonectin, fibronectin, alkaline phosphatase, proteoglycans such as hyaluronate, chondroitin sulfate, heparin sulfate, as well as growth factors. Several growth factors have been identified, as well as several growth factors have been identified in cementum. Also, we had teneskin. Okay. What is the difference between pre-functional and functional development stages of cementum? So, pre-functional stages of involve formation of main cementum types. Pre-functional stages of cementum formation. Okay, pre-functional stages refers to formation of main cementum varieties that occur during root development. Okay, so we know about pre-functional stage. Pre-functional stage involved pre-functional stage here refers to formation of the main varieties of cementum. That refers to formation of main. That refers to formation of that refers to formation of main types of cementum that occurs during root development. That occurs during root development. Pre-functional stage of cementum formation. What is the original cementoplast? Dental follicle in tooth gel. Okay. Follicle in tooth gel. What is the process by which is cementoplast deposit collagen onto the dentin matrix. So this collagen is undergoing the process of mineralization, and they allow this intermixing of fibers of both tissues. So why is cementoplast deposit collagen? By cementoplast deposits cementum onto dentin matrix. So what is the process by which cementoplast deposit? What is the process by which cementoplast secrete deposit collagen onto dentin surface? Cementoplast secrete deposit. Cementoplast deposit collagen onto dentin matrix, which is in the process of mineralization, permitting which is in the permitted the intermingling of fibers of these two tissues at the permitting the intermingling of fibers of these two tissues at the future cemento enamel junction. So cementoplast deposit cementum onto the cementoplast is separated. No, cementoplast is separate. Collagen. We have the cementoplast. Cementoplast deposit. Cementoplast Cementum deposits cementum onto the dentin matrix by the process of mineralization, and they permit the intermingling of the fibers of those tissues, and they permit the intermingling of fibers of the tissues at the future at the future dendritic cemental junction. At the future dendritic. So what is the process by which cementoblast deposit of the dentin matrix? So cementoblast secrete collagen onto the dentin matrix due to what? By the process of mineralization, and they permit intermingling of the fibers of both tissues at the future cemental dental dendino cemental junction.